Today, I'll show you how to connect Klaviyo to your Wix website. This simple guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you can seamlessly integrate these two powerful platforms to enhance your online marketing efforts. First, let's begin by navigating to the Klaviyo dashboard. Once you're in, take a look at the left-hand navigation sidebar. You'll notice various options here, but what we're looking for is the integrations option. Click on it, and this will open up a new section dedicated to connecting Klaviyo with other applications. Now, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You should see a tab labeled either Explore Apps or All Integrations, depending on the version you're using. Click on this tab to access a comprehensive list of all the applications you can connect with Klaviyo. In the search bar that appears, type in Wix. This will filter the list to show you only the relevant options. Once you see the Wix card, click on it to proceed. This step is crucial for setting up the connection between Klaviyo and Wix, enabling you to harness the full benefits of both platforms working together. Next, you'll want to click the Install button. This initiates the installation process of the necessary components to connect Klaviyo to your Wix website. Once the installation is complete, you'll see a blue button labeled Connect to Wix. Go ahead and click this button. At this point, you'll be redirected to the Wix platform. Here, you'll need to grant the necessary permissions for Klaviyo to access your Wix site. This is an essential step because, without these permissions, the integration won't function properly. Simply follow the prompts and agree to the permissions requested. This might include allowing Klaviyo to access certain data or features on your Wix site, which is perfectly normal for integrations like this. And there you have it. By following these easy steps, you've successfully connected Klaviyo to your Wix website. With this integration in place, you can now start leveraging the combined power of Klaviyo's robust email marketing tools and Wix's user-friendly website platform. Integrating these two platforms allows for a more streamlined marketing approach, where you can effortlessly manage your email campaigns, track customer engagement, and optimize your site's performance with data-driven insights from Klaviyo. Remember, the key to a successful integration is ensuring that permissions are granted correctly, so double-check this if you encounter any issues. And if you ever need to revisit this process, you can always return to the Integrations tab within Klaviyo to make adjustments or explore additional integrations to further enhance your site's capabilities. Thanks for joining me in this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and are excited to see what Klaviyo and Wix can achieve together. Be sure to check back for more tutorials on how to maximize your online tools and improve your marketing strategies. Until next time, happy integrating.